Hey guys, on Splash. And literally splash. Yeah. So, we're at the Oglebay Park Waterfall. It's impressive over here. There's a lot of grassland. There's my dad. There's my mom. And then as we go up the lake, there's a lot of glass. But I really hope Luna doesn't step on any. There's me sister.
With the dog.
Yeah, there's my dog. Yo, Luna. Luna. Luna, get on the camera. This is YouTubers in real life. Come on, dog, get in the frame. Yeah. This area over here is like a lot more glass. Like right there's like 2 shards of glass. There's some porcelain too. It's pretty dangerous.
That bag, I'd pick it up and take it. I'm just throwing it off to the side, hoping it stays there.
Yeah, there's another piece of. I see a bit of brick. I see a lot more glass.
Brick is okay.
Yeah. Preserve wildlife, children. Yeah. So, children, be sure to save the environment. Yeah. Earth Day. This is like an Earth Day message for some reason.
Oh jeez, we did get you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look how many holes are on that tree.
Yeah,
Yeah, he got bit by. I think he got bit by a mosquito. Yeah. He showed me. And I'm not going to show any blood on footage because advertiser-friendly reasons. Ooh. That's kind of cool.
I don't know what that's like. It's like a plate or something.
Yeah, it looks like an old plate. Yeah, preserve the wildlife, children. Even though I'm pretty sure I appeal to... Hold up. Look at this. I found like I found like a chunk of a plate.
Another chunk.
I found like a huge bit. Ooh, they actually look like they could connect these.
Let's find out where they go, but I bet you they're from the same thing. That's not the way. There's a big piece there.
Another one.
And another one.
And another one. It looks like it's a bowl.
Yeah, I think it's a bowl.
That, I don't know how a bowl got here, but...
Maybe somebody from one of the cabins brought it down.
Yeah, and they accidentally dropped it.
You see the pieces of rock wearing away, how some of it's sticking out?
Yeah. It's pretty treacherous over here in these waters.
It's maybe a little harder to walk in.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, there's a whole brick in here. With like, whatever this is. It's just a rock. Just a normal, everyday rock.
Oops, jeez.
There's Luna coming in.
We're coming back this way, baby.
Yeah.
It's like getting really rough up that way.
Yeah. Ooh, just making sure it's not glass.
What's that?
Oh, look, I see. I think I see glass. Oh, wait. Yeah, I found glass. Nope, that's a rock.
Yeah.
I bet this is a good... Oop, that is... Yeah, that's part of a plate, I think.
I bet it's from the cabins. People probably sneaking stuff down here when they're...
Pretty much not supposed to. Another part of a bowl.
Another part here.
I see brick.
Whatever this was.
I see like porcelain brick.
Okay, that's part of a path. I'm throwing it up here where people won't be walking. Let's see where you're at and what side of the...
It's another part of a brick thing. Basically, this video is just us cleaning up a river.
You're there to do it. There's no reason you shouldn't.
This isn't really a showcase at all. It's just us. I just started recording since we're at a waterfall.
Dragonfly.
Oh, dragonfly.
Where'd he go?
That's stuff.
I think he washed down a little bit.
Yeah. And that's not broken. Gloss.
Did you come up with it out of the blue, or were you like in the
hello.
Come out of the blue.
Oh,
Coming out today? Oh, slip up here.
Well,
yeah. Orange splash. Orange splash.
All that kicking will go right on down the waterfall.
And down there's even more glass because people like to bring stuff down here from a cabin.
you still recording?
Yeah. Basically the recording.
Edit, right?
No.
Yeah, you can post it.
I don't know how to edit that well, really, because the editor on this thing sucks. It doesn't have DU recorder on here anymore. So, but anyways, guys, I'm actually gonna drop down over here.
Why don't you shut down?
I'm just gonna try.
Where are you going down at?
Just down, yeah, just down to the front. Should I take that path over there?
You can if you want. It's a little easier, and especially if you got your phone.
Yeah.
She's alert, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Didn't miss anything ever.
Alright, so we're gonna travel over to the front of the waterfall. Alright, so we're back at the front of the waterfall. There they are up there. Hello. Lots of giant logs down here. And what I only somewhat presume is a dam. And yeah, it's basically the waterfall. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed them. Like, you guys can like if you want. Please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 60 Actually, I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of the year. That way I can try my old challenge of trying to get 30 subscribers at the end of the year. Basically, I'm doing the same challenge except at 50. So yeah. You guys liked it? Yep. Peace out.